Hill, hailing from the parish of Portland in Jamaica. The prolific, versatile reggae international artist started singing at age 7 by penning words and putting rhymes together. From an early age, he was recognized in his community as a standout talent. At a tender age of 9, he started singing for one of the number one sound systems on the island called Libertone. Throughout his teenage years into adulthood, his outstanding performances and unique style helped to launch his thriving music career. He also recorded his first single, Drum, at the famous Black Scorpio studio in Jamaica. If you know who this artist is, we are going to introduce to you Shocking Moray.